Hello everyone, welcome to iTech Analytics Solutions YouTube channel. This is complete Power BI DAX Basic to Advanced series. This is 11th video of this series. In this video, we will be learning about Simple DAX function Concatenate. Let's go to our Power BI window and we'll try to understand how this Concatenate function will work. Concatenate usually is used to combine the text, say more than one text. Let me click on this new column and suppose I want to combine region and state. Let me name it as region state, the column name as region state. So we can use the function concatenate. It lasts for text 1, I'll use region, comma, the second text I'll be using state. Let's close the bracket, enter. Now I can see the region and state have been combined by using this concatenate function, and there is no separator here, that is we don't have any delimiters. Suppose if you want to have a delimiter by using concatenate, what we can do is we have to make it the nested concatenate function. So how to do that? Let's say I have this concatenate region and again one more concatenate function. Here it lasts for the text. I'll use a delimiter comma, and again text 2 will be state, close bracket. Now I'll say enter. You can see there is a delimiter. Right. So you can see that there is a delimiter here. Now suppose if you want to avoid this using all multiple times of concatenate, so you can use text concatenate operator, that is and or ampersand symbol, which we already discussed in our previous videos. So likewise, you can use concatenate function and combine more than one text. Right. The next topic, let's understand about simple DAX functions, that is len functions. So if you are looking for a better career in data analytics, please do contact us with the number given on screen, and you can also mail to the email ID mentioned on screen, and you can also visit our website www.itsinc.in. And if you are still not following us, please do follow us on our YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and LinkedIn, and the links have been given in the description below. And if you think this video is useful for you, please give a like and please do share this video so that this can be useful for more other people. Please do comment your suggestions or anything if you want to tell in our comment box, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.